Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a product voucher to your Amazon account. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. If you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. In case you're facing any issues while logging in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the nav bar, and on the top right, you can see something like Account and List. Simply click on it. From there, you will be redirected to this page. Well, right here, this is the Your Account section. Well, if you scroll up and down, you can see lots of options. But what we're mainly focusing on is our payments. So I'm gonna click on this right now. Well, I'm just gonna scroll down. And as you guys can see, here's Wallet, Rewards and Balances. And as I do want to add a product voucher, I simply need to click on this Add Rewards and Balances section. Once you've clicked on it, well, you can see something like this: Gift Card and Product Voucher. Well, simply click on this Redeem a Voucher section. From here, simply enter the code, and do note, dashes are not required. Once you've done it, simply hit on Add to your Amazon account. And guys, that's it. That's how we add a product voucher in your Amazon account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.